Alrighty guys, today we're going to be opening up the KiraKira box. It is a silicone mold box for resin crafts, and I will be opening this today, so stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, it's Resin Bell. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the KiraKiraMolds box for July, and I can't wait. The theme of this box is Kingdom Hearts, and KiraKiraMolds does a great job of coming up with some really cute, original kind of molds and things you can use for resin crafts. So looking forward to open this box. This is the first one I've ever gotten. It's not technically a subscription box, but she does have a limited number of monthly boxes that you can get, so it's really just kind of first come first serve when she posts the link on her Instagram. So let's get into this box. So it comes in this great little mailer. It's a nice little bubble mailer, good heavy duty, so it kind of protects her box. This is the KiraKira box, and it is a resin mold, and you can check her out at KiraKiraMolds on Instagram. And such a cute little box and everything. Sealed with some tape. And I've seen the molds. I have seen 2 of the molds that are in this box, and then everything else in this box is kind of a surprise. She does show you the molds that that come in the boxes, but so pretty excited to open this up. Oh, how cute. We've got a little Kingdom Hearts character there. Sticker. Very cute packaging. Okay. Oh, goodness. This box is stuffed full. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh my gosh, this is so cute. So, right here we have a how to care for your KiraKiraMolds instructions. We have one of her beautiful little business cards. We've got a Donald Duck pin here, which is really cute, and a little candy. This is so cute. I love the little Mickey Mouse packaging she's used. And this is, oh, a fuzzy heart. How cute is that? With the Kingdom Hearts ribbon to go on it. That is adorable. Look how cute that is. So then we've got the little handheld, and this is a little keychain. This is so cute. Super adorable. So then you can put your little ribbon on here. Oh, maybe you can put your ribbon on there. My fingers do not want to work this morning. Okay. So that is too cute. Very, very cute. So there's that, and a little handheld there. So that's pretty cute. I love it. That's awesome. Fuzzy. So that is a cute little gifty in there. Oh, look. We've got a Kingdom Hearts Figural keychain. I'm going to save that one for my kiddo to open because he loves the blind bags. So I'm going to let him open that. Oh my gosh, this box is so full of stuff. We've got some super cute little Kingdom Hearts style stickers. Oh, there's so much stuff in this box. It's not even funny. What a cool box. So we've got all the different characters. I've got a cute key and the crown, the Kingdom Hearts. So many great stickers. These stickers are so cool. Okay. Those are so adorable. Very well curated. Very well done. Like I said, this is my first KiraKiraMolds box, and I have seen some of the other ones that she's made, and she just goes above and beyond to try to make everything so cool for everyone. Oh, look at this mix. This shaker mix is so cute. It's got little sparkly gems. It's got little hearts and little Mickeys and stars. And like some sprinkles and just so many things in there. Lots of fun stuff to use. And then we have another mix here with a nice big star and then some hearts and Mickey. So these are going to be cool for maybe making keychains and things. So now we get to get into the molds. Oh my gosh, I mean, her molds are just so over the top fantastic. I love her molds. I've been wanting to get some for a while. So she makes these gorgeous glitter molds, which I think is beautiful. It's so cute. So yes. So we've got a little heartless here. And that is going to be a really cool shaker. I know my kiddo is really looking forward to that. And she's got lots of cool glitter in the back. And I love the color of this with the kind of reddish and the black. So that is a seriously cool mold, y'all. Look how nice that is. I mean, and it looks very even as far as being poured on a level surface, and just a very nice mold. Very, very nice. I like it. Oh, then we have this really cool mold here. And this one I hadn't seen before. I may have just missed. It's possible that I just missed, you know, something that she put up. But this is really cool. That is going to be an awesome shaker, and it's got a heart and a star, and then we've got Mickey Mouse right there inside, and just very, very cool. That is awesome. I mean, look at these molds. That is just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Love the colors she chose. That is pretty amazing. And then this palette mold is just huge. Really, let me open this. It's going to be noisy, sorry. And this palette is just, oh my gosh. This is I mean, you could use it as a trinket tray. You could make a shaker out of it, but holy cow, look how gorgeous that is. And then we've got hearts and stars that we can add, make pieces of. And the colors of this are just so beautiful. I mean, look. Very, very well done. Very nice. And all the glitter. Glitter is life, you guys. We all know this to be true. But yes, oh my gosh, that is just too cool. I love it. Very nice. Oh, in here we have a sea salt ice cream popsicle soap. How cute is that? Oh, very cute. Very cute. I like that. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this was a really, really great box. Beautifully done. She makes gorgeous molds. I mean, hello. Beautiful. I mean, that's a good size. That is a huge mold. And this one's quite big too. So that's going to make some really fun stuff. So I can't wait to get started using this, using these molds. So, and my kiddo is just beyond excited. He wants to do this so bad. He's been waiting for this one. So, lots of cool stuff, lots of neat gifties and, you know, theme specific extras, and this is so cute. I mean, hello. But yes, this is such a cool box, and yeah, just totally worth it. I mean, gorgeous molds, very well made, very even, gorgeous to look at, just beautiful. lots of extras and gifties and just very, very cool box. So awesome. I'm going to give the KiraKiraMolds boxes 2 thumbs up because that is just brilliant. So awesome. So, the KiraKiraMolds, she has a website. You can go to her website. You can search out KiraKiraMolds online. You can go to her Instagram, which is at KiraKiraMolds. Let me get this open, and I will share her info with you. So, her name is Gabby Larson, and she is the owner of KiraKiraMolds Glitter Silicone Molds. You can find her on Instagram, and through her Instagram, you can find her website. So that's pretty cool. Love her little business cards. They're so cute. Very, very cute. Anyway, so yes, she just kind of thought of everything in here. The KiraKira monthly box is $85 plus shipping. So these molds are really, I mean, this is a big mold. And you know, all of these are pretty good sized, nice molds. So, very nice molds. So great. I mean, it's a really good deal. I mean, you get a lot of stuff for your money. So she just really goes above and beyond, and like her kids help her pack the boxes, and just so cute. And so yeah, she has a different, theme each month, I guess, and she always announces, you know, when her boxes are open on her Instagram. So follow her on Instagram, and thank you guys so much for watching, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video, and hopefully I will be getting to this very, very soon.